Welcome to my channel, everybody. I'm going to do a splatter painting. I've been thinking about this and I finally had enough plastic to devise a little plastic shield around so I don't make too much of a mess. These plastic sheets I have all taped together, there's 4 of them here, actually come in a bundle pack of 16 by 20 canvases. So when I had them, I'm like, what am I going to do with these things? And then I decided, hey, the shield I wanted will work with these things. So there we go. I'm going to try and do a splatter painting. I have no idea if it's going to work out. But as always, I'm going to love it because it's my art, right? All right, I'm going to do some bright colors and I'm going to be dropping the paint from probably about 3 feet. Maybe even closer to 4 feet is my highest reach I can do with my arms. I'm going to torch the white acrylic I have on here, which is always mixed with the glue and water mixture. So it's 50% paint and about 50% of my glue and water mixture. Alright, bubbles are out. Let's see if this works. I got a couple of new colors. So my first one I'm going to do is called Bahama Blue. Just mix that one up. Hopefully it's a good enough consistency so it'll splatter. I'm going to hold it way up and give it a squirt. Give it a couple squirts. Okay. Then I'm going to do my new festive green. It's not splattering up like I thought it would. Maybe it's not runny enough. Okay. And I think we need to do some yellow in there. Maybe I need to pour it in a cup. Maybe that's the ticket. I'm not going to do that this time, but maybe next time. Oh, that was a good splatter. Oh, that's what I wanted it to do. There we go. I had to hold it a little higher and squeeze a little harder. Okay, let's try the new fuchsia. Oh, totally missed the canvas. That's hilarious. Okay. Now I'm going to do my brilliant blue. I can't believe I missed the canvas. That's funny. Oop, missed it again. That's the ticket. You got to hold it on an angle. Okay. This is fun. Okay, now I'm going to do my green that I can never say the name. Chartreuse, I think it's called. Chartreuse. I'm going to hold it up. If I can get the lid off. There we go. And give it a squirt. Okay, and then the next thing is going to be my berry wine. This one is a really pretty color. I just got this color mixed up. Okay, and I want to go from here. Boy, this painting is like a teenager's dream, I think. That's pretty awesome. I don't know if everybody likes kind of graffiti art, but I do. It's pretty cool. I don't know if I want to take a blow dryer to this now or just leave it. I'm not sure. Do I lift it a little bit and move the paint a bit? Yeah, that's looking pretty cool. Let's go this way. This way a little bit. this way a little bit. Now I think I'm going to do each corner a little bit. Let's go this corner. Okay. I can really move this plastic thing because I'm not splattering anymore, but I got paint on it, so I don't really want to get it on my carpeting. Well, this is a quick, like, 10-minute video at the most. It's definitely very cool. There we go. I would officially say that that is done. It is awesome. I know I say that with all my paintings, but it really is. It's awesome. All right. Thanks for joining me, everyone.